Hello, this is Ukraine. Today I'm going to explain a new topic in current affairs series. Today's topic is Bhashini, Bhasha Interface for India. Bhashini is an Indian government project developed by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology under its NLTM National Language Translation Mission. It aims to help Indian citizens translate content in various Indian languages and enable effective communication among different language speakers across India and thus reduce the language barrier in India. In this video, you will find about Bhashini, working structure of Bhashini, overview of Bhashini, key objective and key features of Bhashini, significance for governance and society of Bhashini, importance of Bhashini addressing language issues, challenges in implementation, conclusion, and at the end you will get two prelims and two mains practice questions. Let's deep dive in this topic. Bhashini, Bhasha Interface for India is a flagship initiative under Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology aim, aimed at promoting digital inclusion by breaking language barrier in India. It is a part of National Language Translation Mission NLTM launched in July 2022 and leverage artificial intelligence AI and natural language processing NLP to provide real-time translation, speech to text and text to speech services in Indian languages. Working structure of Bhashini. First of all, it collect the data from different sources in data warehouse and do the data processing by using some data processing tool and AI. And after getting the final process data, the data will be going to use by different purposes. Overview of Bhashini, Nodal Ministry, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY. Launched in July 2022 as a part of Digital India Initiative. Objective to bridge the India's linguistic digital divide by enabling seamless access to digital services and content in the 22 scheduled Indian languages and major Indian languages, ensuring inclusivity for non-English and non-Hindi speaking population. Core technology utilize AI and NLP for real-time translation, speech to text, text to speech, and other language-based services. Implementation managed by Digital India Bhashini Division, a section under Digital India Corporation DIC and Section 8 company under Ministry of Electronics and IT. Key objective, breaking language barrier, enables seamless communication between speaker of different Indian languages, provide access to digital services, government portal and online content in local languages, promote digital inclusion, ensure that non-English and non-Hindi speaking population, especially in rural and semi-urban areas, can access digital platforms. Enhance financial inclusion by extending digital financial services in native languages, catalyzing innovation, make AI and NLP, artificial intelligence and natural language processing resources available in public domain for MSME, startup and individual innovators to develop language-based innovation, foster the creation of innovative products and services tailored to India's linguistic diversity. Key objective, other point, increase Indian language content, substantially increase digital content in Indian languages in domain like government, governance, policy, science and technology, encourage citizens to use the internet in their preferred languages, ecosystem development, build a collaborative ecosystem, involve government, industry, academic, and research group and startup, maintain an open repository for data, training data set, and open model and tool for language processing. Key features of Bhasini platform. First, AI powered translation services provide real time translation for text to text, text to speech to text, and speech to speech services. Support 22 scheduled languages and is expanding to include more Indian languages. Example: the Kumbh Sahayak chatbot launched for Mahakumbh 2025 uses Bhasini AI powered translation to assist pilgrims in different 11 Indian languages. Bhasha Daan crowdsourcing platform. A dedicated section called Bhasha Daan encourages public participation in building linguistic dataset through Suno India, typing a validating audio transcription, Bolo India recognizing sentence or validating audio contribution, Likho India translating text or validating translations, Dekho India labeling image and typing text from image. Crowdsourcing ensure continuous enrichment of the linguistic dataset. It means it will improve day by day. 3. Unified Language Contribution API ULCA, a standard API scalable data platform for Indian languages, dataset and model, support research and development for AI tools for Indian languages. Accessibility available as a web platform through dedicated Android and iOS app, user-friendly interface for seamless interaction, integration with government initiative. E-Shram portal upgraded in January 2025 to support all 22 scheduled languages, enabling unorganized workers to access social security scheme in their native languages. Sansad Bhashini Scheme, launched in July 2025 by Lok Sabha Secretary and Ministry of Information Technology to modernize parliamentary operation and with AI driven tool for real time translation, transcription and summarization of debates and documents. Kasi Tamil Sangamam, up by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He he used the Bhasini tools for translating in real time their Hindi speech into Tamil during the Kasi Tamil Sangam speech. Digital inclusion address India's linguistic diversity. Over 900 delegates and 121 languages are in India as per 2021 census. By making digital service accessible to non-English and non-Hindi speaker, it addressing the India's linguistic diversity, empower rural and marginalized community to engage with e-governance platform, promoting linguism, enhance accessibility of government portal, educational resources and digital financial services in local languages. Example, eShram portal now support unorganized worker in all 22 scheduled languages, integrating scheme like One Nation One Ration Card, Manrega, Pradhan Mantri, Shram Yogi, Mandhan. Economic opportunity, it provides startup and MSME with access to AI and NLP tool, fostering innovation in Language-based technology create opportunity for job creation and entrepreneurship in digital economy, strengthening democracy. The Sansad Bhasani initiative ensure parliamentary proceedings are accessible in multiple languages, promoting transparency and public engagement. Cultural preservance encourages the use of Indian languages in digital space, preserving linguistic heritage. Importance of Bhasani in addressing language issues. Bhasani significance lies in its ability to provide practical technology driven solution to India's linguistic challenges. Below are the key way to it contributes. First, it promote inclusivity, multilingual digital access. Bhasani support 22 scheduled languages and is expanding it to include more Indian languages and delegates. It enable real-time translation, text to text, speech to speech, making digital platform like government portal, example eSram, and apps accessible in local languages. Example eSram portal upgraded in January 2025 now support 22 scheduled languages, enabling unorganized workers to access the social security scheme in their native languages, reducing Hindi imposition concern. By providing equal digital access in regional languages. Bhasani mitigate fear of Hindi imposition, fostering trust among non-Hindi speaking communities. Example: Kumbh Sahayak chatbot for Mahakumbh 2025 offers support in 11 Indian languages, ensuring pilgrims from diverse linguistic backgrounds can communicate effectively and easily. Point two, bridging the digital divide. Access to digital services. Bhasani ensure that non-English and non-Hindi speakers, especially in the rural and semi-urban area, can access e-governance, online education, digital finance services. Example: integrating with schemes like One Nation, One Ration Card, and Manrega through the eSram portal allow workers to interact in their preferred languages, empower marginalized community by making digital content available in regional language. Bhasni empowered linguistic minority, reducing exclusion and promoting equitable access to opportunities. See, preserving linguistic cultural diversity, crowdsourcing linguistic data. Bhasni platform encourage public participation in creating data set for Indian languages through initiative like Suno India, Dekho India, Bolo India, and Likho India. These this preserves endangered languages and delegates by documenting them digitally, supporting cultural heritage. Encourage local content creation. Bhasani encourage digital content in Indian languages in domain like education, governance, technology, reducing reliance on English and Hindi content. Strengthening national integration, facilitating communication. A real-time translation tool enables seamless communication across linguistic groups, reducing misunderstanding and fostering in unity. Example: Sansad Bhasni initiative launched in 2025 provide AI-driven translation and transcription of parliamentary proceedings, making them accessible to diverse linguistic group and promoting transparency, reducing regional tension. By promoting equal digital representation to all languages, Bhasni help address regional regional grievance and promoting helps address regional grievance and promoting a sense of inclusion and national cohesion. Point number 4, support economic and social empowerment, fostering innovation. Bhasni Unified Language Contribution API ULCA provides startup MSME researchers with access to language dataset and AI tool, enabling the document of local solution. This create economic opportunity in digital economy, particular for non-English and Hindi-speaking entrepreneurs, enhance education and skill development. Multilingual educational content support by Bhasni align with the National Education Policy 2020 focus on mother tongue education, addressing language barrier in learning, mitigating political and social conflict, addressing language based protest by promoting regional language in digital and governance spaces. Bhasni reduce perception of linguistic hegemony, addressing concern raised in a state like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Example: PM Modi used Bhasni for real-time translation of his speech into Tamil during the Kasi Tamil Sangamam 2.0 in December 2023, showcase its potential to bridge the linguistic divides, promote social cohesion. Bhasni tool foster mutual understanding among linguistic community, reducing social friction and promoting inclusivity. Challenges and criticism: limited language coverage. Bhasni only support 22 scheduled languages, but India is a vast linguistic diversity. Over 1600 languages and delegates are India poses challenges for comprehensive coverage. Data privacy concern is also a important concern. Infrastructure gap. India till this time in India do not have enough infrastructure to cater the requirement of this initiative of government. Bhasini for Bhasini, accurate accuracy of translation. AI based translation may face challenges in capturing cultural nuances and regional delegates, but it is going to improve by Bhasha Daan initiative. Implementing challenges, scaling up the platform to include more languages and ensuring interoperability across diverse digital ecosystem in complex tasks. Conclusion: Bhasni Scheme is a transformative initiative that aligns with India's vision of Digital India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Bhasni Scheme is a transformative tool in addressing India's rising language issue by promoting digital inclusion, preserving linguistic diversity, and fostering national integration by leveraging AI and NLP. It bridges communication gap, mitigate political tension, and empower marginalized community. Now it's time for the practice question for prelims. Question number 1: what is the primary objective of Bhasini platform? Option A: provide free internet access. Option B: promote AI-based language translation. Option C: develop cybersecurity tool. Option D: regulate social media platforms. Question number 2: which ministry is responsible for implementing the Bhasini scheme? Ministry of Education, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Culture, and Ministry of Home Affairs. Write the correct answer in comment box. Now practice question for mains. Question 1: discuss the role of Bhasini scheme in promoting digital inclusion in India. How does it contribute to the vision of digital India. Write in 150 words. Evaluate the significance of AI driven technology like Bhashini in enhancing governance and public service delivery in linguistically diverse country like India. 2000 word write in 2000 250 words. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly share this video to needy person. Have a nice day. Bye.